Here's what it's like working with AML Architects, guiding you professionally through every stage of the process. 1. Initial contact and visit. We start with the contact form on the website, or if you have an average size extension, you can use the instant quote calculator, give you an estimate of costs. Then please do give us a call and we can discuss your proposal and usually give an indication of fees. If you're happy with that, we come and do an initial visit. Obviously we can meet, we can have a look at the property, take photos, and most importantly, we define the design brief, we express what you really want to achieve, and we'll put that into a formal fee proposal and continue to the next stages. 2. Concept design. For the concept design stage, first of all, we need existing drawings to base the proposals on. These are measured drawings, which are also required by the planning department, so you can see where we're starting from. Depending how involved the project is, we can do a feasibility study, so we can work out the viability or financial viability of the project. We also do sketch stages, and we can work out your design to your agreement and approval. It's a collaborative process. We work together so we can make the project right from the beginning. 3. Planning applications. If needed, we can submit a pre-application. This is an early planning application where we can have rapport and gain some feedback from the council to advise on the planning application. Then we'll submit the planning application, which is essentially asking for permission to build in principle. When it's approved, there may be additional requirements made by the council. These are known as planning conditions. And then we can apply for these conditions to be approved, and so you have everything ready and sorted to go on to build. 4. Building regulations and technical design. For the building regulation stage, we produce another set of drawings. These are construction drawings with detailed measurements and information that can comply with the building regulations. We also work with other consultants such as structural engineer, party wall surveyor, and we'll create a package to submit to building control for approval. It's best to get approval before the building work starts because it's easier and cheaper to change a drawing than something that's being built on site. 5. Contract administration and handover. Additionally, we offer the service of contract administration. It's always advisable that you have a contract between yourself and the builder. If you continue to just go ahead with the builder, then the power goes over to the builder. So the builder can do the work if he wants, how he wants, when he wants. All of these considerations need to be taken into consideration. With contract administration, you have someone to administer the contract and make sure that everything that's in that contract is actually done. So normally we do weekly site inspections, bi-weekly meetings. We'll issue certificates giving approval for the payments being made to make sure the builder is only paid for the work that's done properly and on time. At the end, we will hand over the project and give a final certificate for that work. At AML Architects, we have a clear step-by-step process which takes the stress out of building, and you can watch your dream project take shape with complete peace of mind.